Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today I want to show you how to say the German alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So we have some extra alphabets in our language like S, Z. Then we have the umlaute. Same as our alphabet, but we have some dots on it like E, Ö, and Ü. Thank you for watching our video. And if you have any more questions, please visit our branch, Lingo, or comment below.